ready to squad up and conquer the virtual football world. Let's get you connected with your friends in FC24 in this video. First, launch FC24 and navigate to the main menu. Look for the social tab. It's usually located on the right side of your screen. Go ahead and select it. Once you're in the social menu, you'll see a few options. Select Add Friends. This is where the magic happens. Now, you have a couple of ways to add your buddies. The easiest way is to search for them using their ID, PlayStation Network Online ID, or Xbox Gamer. To type their ID into the search bar at the top of the screen. Make sure you spell it correctly. After typing in their ID, a list of potential matches will appear. Find your friend in the list, and click on their profile to send a friend request. A confirmation screen will pop up, letting you know that the friend request has been sent. Now, all your friend needs to do is accept. Alternatively, if someone has already sent you a friend request, you'll see a notification in the Friend Requests tab. Click on it to view your pending requests. Here, you can either accept or decline the request. Once accepted, they'll appear in your friends list, ready to team up. And that's all there is to it. Now you can easily invite your friends to play matches, join clubs, and build your ultimate squad together. Get ready to dominate the pitch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more FC24 tips and tricks. Happy gaming!